One of the assignments that you're going to do is to apply for a scholarship. It can be any scholarship that you want, but you'll have to do that throughout the semester and then turn in a screenshot of an email that shows the receipt of your application. Lone Star, the one through Lone Star College, is going to be due on October 1st. I believe that it requires a FAFSA application. So if you have a FAFSA application, I should have already emailed you and told you about it and let you know that the deadline is in about 2 weeks. You'll want to, it's very easy to do. You'll have to find it on the My Lone Star or check your email. If you want the link, just send me an email and I'll send you the link if you are having a hard time finding it. But what I want you to do is to take a screenshot. You can also use this knowledge that you're gaining about how to do a screenshot in other areas for this class. I think 2 or 3 other assignments you'll be doing, you'll want to know how to do that screenshot process. So the first thing that you'll want to do is then go into that email. So to take a screenshot, it's very simple. All you have to do is click that little Windows button that's in the lower left. And my keyboard just looks a little bit different, but it is that button right there. You click that, hold it down, and then you'll come up and you'll hit the print screen button. Mine's in the upper right as well, but again, my keyboard looks different. So you hit the Windows and the print screen at the same time. So if I'm going to do that, let me go back to my email. Here it is. And I would hit the Windows print screen. I know that it did it because my screen flashed. Now the hardest thing about this is that now you have to find the screenshot on your computer. My computer adds it to a folder called Screenshot. If I have a hard time with that, I can find the screenshot by looking in here and see I have folders, screenshots. So I know where that's located. If I don't want to forget, then I look at this informational bar right here. My screenshots are under my pictures. So to turn that in, you're going to go to the D2L. You'll sign in on My Lone Star. Then you'll come to the class and you'll look here. We spend a lot of our time in the content area. That's where you find the information about the assignments that I give or the help things that I put on the different content areas. But to turn in an assignment, you would then go to here to the course activities. Click on course activities. We won't use any of these tabs except for turning in assignments. And so you look at the assignments that's right there and you click on it. This is what you'll see on your computer at this time. You would come down here to the scholarship application. Scholarship applications really do have a number of personal information items on there, so I don't want to see your application. I just want the receipt. There are written instructions right here on the assignments where you turn it in, and it'll tell you how to do this process in writing. You would click here on Add a File. I have to get mine from my computer. I don't know what all these other things are, but I'm getting mine from my computer. I'm going to upload it. And then my screenshot one comes up. This is the second time that I've done this video, and so I would do that here. I can open it. Then I need to add it. If you need to write a comment, you can do that. Then you come here to submit it. It's been submitted, but you're not done yet. You have to hit the Done button. Many times, students don't know. They ask me, did you receive my assignment in the Dropbox? What I tell them to do is I tell them to come here and see that number. This is the second time I've done this because this is the second time I've tried my video. But if I come here, if I look, there's my screenshots. Of course, they're different. And then I can see, if I want to see them, I can click on them. They'll download it onto my computer and I can make sure that I have the right one. So that's how you do a screenshot. We will use that if you want to submit a screenshot for your DWYA report. You can do that. That will give you 40 points. And then the rest of the 10 is the DWYA analysis that you did that was on paper. You'll give that to me in paper. I'm going to check off that you did it, that it's finished, and you'll have all those 50 points. You'll have 2 other times. The scholarship application, of course, so that's 2. And then the third one will be when we do financial avenues. Very simple process, very easy.